Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, this is Passpos YT back with another video. So first of all, Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim friends and foes also. So today I'm going with a new video and I'm was very ill these days after Ramadan, and today is almost third day of the Eid ul Fitr, and I was ill, that's why I'm not uploading the video. I even been just told that it has been the 4th anniversary of PAS 2021 mobile. Let me show you on Play Store here. You will be able to see that the anniversary is on 23rd of May 2017, the first time the PAS mobile was released on mobile. You can see there 23rd May of 2017 it was released, and almost we are on verge of making it 4 years on the trot. PAS 2028, 2029, 2020, 21, this is, so maybe we get a good reward from Konami, just like first time when it was the first anniversary, we got a legend, and the second time we got a black ball and legend, and maybe this time we got an iconic moment. Probably we can get anything. Let me show you some of the screenshots I have taken from for related to this. So let's see on this one. Watch the video and subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and that's it. Maybe we get to see just like 3 tries on iconic moment. Recently the new iconic moment is coming for Arsenal, so maybe we get 3 tries and weekly after weekly 100 coins, or maybe anything like that. So get ready boys, we are getting the 4th anniversary login campaign, or some goodie awards like that. So I'm very excited about this. So let's see how you guys get it and how Konami repays us on the 4th anniversary of PES 2021 mobile version.